Outstanding design defines the 2017 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.